Hello everyone, my name is Anya and today I would like to show you how to make this summer top. The top is made out of front and back panels which are worked in exactly the same way and then joined together while working the sides. The top requires minimal sewing or joining together as we only join at the sides. I hope you will enjoy this tutorial and thank you for watching. To make the top, I was using Soya Cotton DK yarn, and you will need 300 grams for size small, 350 for sizes medium and large, and 400 for extra large. And I was using 3.5 millimeter hook. We will start by working a slip knot. So twist your yarn and pull one end through. Insert your hook into the slip knot and tighten it. We will work chain 42, yarn over, pull through, chain 1, yarn over, pull through, chain 2, 3, 4, 5, and carry on working your foundation chain. When you have 42 chains, I will show you what to do next. After finishing your 42 chains, we will need to work single crochet into the second chain from hook. So we are not going to count the loop on our hook, but those V shapes after this loop. So 1, 2, insert your hook into the second chain, yarn over, pull through. You will have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And we will be working single crochet into each chain of your foundation chain. So insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So I have 2 single crochet, 3, 4 and 5, and carry on working single crochet until you reach the last chain, and I will show you how to start the next row. We will start by working chain 1, and this chain 1 will not count as a stitch. We will need to turn our work round, and into this first single crochet we will work 1 single crochet. And now I will show you the pattern repeat for this round. We'll skip next 3 single crochet, so 1, 2, 3, and into the next one we will work 7 double crochet. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through. You will have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. First double crochet made. And I will show you how to make this double crochet again. So yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. I now have 2 double crochet. I will need 5 more double crochet so that I have altogether 7 double crochet. So 4, 5, 6 and 7. And I will skip next 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, and into the next one I will need to work 1 single crochet. And I will show you this pattern repeat one more time. Let me just pull my yarn, skip next 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, into the next one work 7 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, skip next 3 single crochet, and into the next one work 1 single crochet, and carry on repeating this pattern, and you should finish on the single crochet into the last single crochet. Next 4 rows are going to be our pattern repeat, and we will start by working chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this chain 6 will count as first double crochet plus chain 3. We will need to turn our work round, and we will skip first 3 double crochet. Into the next double crochet we will need to work 1 single crochet. We will now work chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we will work 1 double crochet into the next single crochet, so in between both shells. 1 double crochet into this single crochet. And I will show you pattern repeat for this row. We'll start by working chain 3. We will skip next 3 double crochet, and into the next one we will work 1 single crochet, chain 3, and into the next single crochet, which is between both shells, we will work 1 double crochet. And I will show you this pattern one more time. Chain 3, skip next 3 double crochet, into the next one work 1 single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and into the next single crochet work 1 double crochet, and carry on until you reach the end, and your final stitch should be double crochet the end of your pattern repeat for this row. We will start by working chain 1, and again this chain 1 will not count as a stitch. We will need to turn our work round, and we will work 1 single crochet into the double crochet. We will work chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we will need to work 1 single crochet into the next single crochet. And I will show you the pattern repeat for this row. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 single crochet into the next double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 single crochet into the next single crochet, and the same pattern repeat again. Chain 3, 1 single crochet into the next double crochet, chain 3, and 1 single crochet into the next single crochet, and carry on working this repeat 2 more times, and I will show you how to finish this row. To finish this row we will need to work chain 3, and we will work 1 single crochet into third chain of the starting chain 6 from the previous round. So 1, 2, 3, we will need to insert our hook into this chain and work single crochet, and this row is ready. We will start by working chain 1, and this chain 1 will not count as a stitch. We will need to turn our work round, and into this first single crochet we will work 1 single crochet. And the pattern repeat for this row is going to be very easy. We will work chain 3 and 1 single crochet into the next single crochet, and again chain 3 and 1 single crochet into the next single crochet, and carry on repeating your chain 3 and 1 single crochet into the next single crochet, and you should finish on single crochet in the last single crochet. This is going to be our final round of our main pattern repeat, and we will start by working chain 1, and this chain 1 will not count as a stitch. We will need to turn our work round. Into the first single crochet we will work 1 single crochet, and I will show you the pattern repeat for this row. Into the next single crochet we will need to work 7 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 1 single crochet into the next single crochet. And I will show you this pattern repeat one more time. So into the next single crochet, 7 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Let me just pull my yarn. 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 1 single crochet into the next single crochet, and carry on until you reach the end, and you should finish on single crochet into the last single crochet. After finishing row 7, we will start repeating pattern for rows 3 to 7, and we will need all together have 12 repeats of this pattern for sizes small and medium, which will give us 13 rows of shells, because we have 1 row of shells which is not included in the pattern repeat. And for sizes large and extra large, we will have 13 repeats of the main pattern, which will give us again altogether 14 repeats of this row with shells. For the back panel, we will be repeating the pattern for the front panel. The only difference will be the number of repeats of the main pattern, and for sizes small and medium we will have 14 repeats of this main pattern, which will give us 15 repeats of shell rows, and for sizes large and extra large we will have 15 repeats of the main pattern, which will give us again 16 repeats of the shell row. We will start with right side facing us of our front part in the right side corner, and where you have single crochet, the row of single crochet, we'll need to work 2 single crochet into this row. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops, and work 1 more single crochet into this row of single crochet. Into the next single crochet, which is in the row of shell, we will work 1 single crochet, and we will start our pattern repeat. Into the next chain 3 space we will work 2 single crochet, and into each of the next 4 single crochet we will work 1 single crochet into each stitch. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we will work the same repeat again. Into the next chain 3 space 2 single crochet, and into each of the next 4 single crochet, last single crochet will be in this row of shells, we will work 1 single crochet into each stitch. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we will carry on repeating this pattern, so 2 single crochet into chain 3 space and 1 single crochet into each of the next 4 single crochet, and altogether you will have 75 single crochet if you are working sizes small or medium, or 81 single crochet if you are working large or extra large, and I will show you what to do next. When you have finished working your single crochet, again for sizes small and medium, 75 single crochet altogether, and for sizes large and extra large, 81, we will need to work foundation chain. And we will work 52 chains for sizes small and medium, and 56 chains for sizes large and extra large. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And carry on working your foundation chain until you have altogether 52 chains for sizes small and medium and 56 for large and extra large, and I will show you what to do next. When you have finished your foundation chain, we will need to connect with the back part, and we will start working single crochet into this first single crochet where we have a row of shells. So we will need to make sure that our foundation chain is not twisted. We will put 2 sides together, and we will be working again facing the right side, but this time in the top left corner of the back part. So we will start by working single crochet into first single crochet, 1, then single crochet into each of the next 3 single crochet, 1, 2, and 3. 2 single crochet into chain space. So we are reversing our pattern, and the pattern repeat this time will be into each of the next 4 single crochet, 1 single crochet into each stitch. So I have 2, 3, and 4, and 2 single crochet into the chain space, 1 and 2. And we will carry on working like this until we reach the end, and again into this single crochet where you have last shell row, 1 single crochet, and 2 single crochet into this row where you have started with your single crochet. And altogether you will have 87 single crochet for this back part if you are working sizes small or medium, and you will have 93 single crochet if you are working sizes large or extra large. We'll start by working chain 1, and this chain 1 will not count as a stitch. We'll need to turn our work round, and we will work 1 single crochet into the first single crochet. And in this round we will be working 1 single crochet into each single crochet from the previous round. So 1, 2, 3, and we will carry on working the single crochet, and when we will get into our foundation chain, we will work 1 single crochet into each chain of the foundation chain, and then we will continue to work single crochet into each single crochet of the front part, and our last single crochet will obviously fall into the last single crochet of the front part. We will start by working chain 1, and this chain 1 will not count as a stitch. We will need to turn our work round, and into the same single crochet we will work 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet into the next single crochet, and we can start the pattern repeat for this row. We will work chain 2, 1 and 2, we'll skip next to single crochet, and into each of the next 2 single crochet we'll work 1 single crochet into each stitch. And I will show you this pattern. Repeat again. Chain 2, skip next 2 single crochet into each of the next 2, work 1 single crochet into each stitch, and again chain 2, skip next 2 single crochet into each of the next 2, work 1 single crochet into each stitch, and carry on this pattern all the way around, and at the end you should finish on last 2 single crochet. The next 2 rows are going to be the main pattern repeat, and we will start by working chain 3. And this chain 3 will count as first double crochet. We will need to turn our work round, and into the next single crochet we will work 1 double crochet. And we can start the pattern repeat for this row. We will work chain 2, and into each of the next 2 single crochet we will work 1 double crochet into each stitch, 1 and 2. And the same pattern again, so chain 2, and into each of the next 2 single crochet 1 double crochet into each stitch, and again chain 2, into each of the next 2 single crochet, 1 double crochet into each stitch, 1 and 2, and carry on working this pattern repeat until you reach the end, and you should finish on last 2 double crochet. We will start by working chain 1, and this chain 1 will not count as a stitch. We will need to turn our work round, and into this first double crochet we will work 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet into the next double crochet, and we can start the pattern repeat. We will need to work chain 2, and into each of the next 2 double crochet we will work 1 single crochet into each stitch, and the same repeat again, chain 2, into each of the next 2 double crochet we will work 1 single crochet into each stitch, 1 and 2, and again chain 2, and 1 single crochet into each of the next 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, and we will need to carry on this repeat until we reach the end, and at the end your last single crochet will be into this 3rd chain of starting chain 3. We will now carry on repeating rows 4 and 5, 6 more times for small size, 8 more times for medium, 10 more times for large, and 12 more times for extra large, and we will fasten off. We will now start working on the other side, and we will again work with right side facing us, but we will start with right bottom corner of the back panel, and into this row where you have row of single crochet, first row of single crochet, we will need to work 2 single crochet into this row. We will work 1 single crochet into the next single crochet, and we will start repeating the pattern into chain 3 space, 2 single crochet, into the next 4 single crochet, 1 single crochet into each stitch, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and again 2 single crochet into chain space, and 1 single crochet into each of the next 4 single crochet, 2, 3 and 4, and carry on working this pattern repeat all alongside this edge of your back panel, and I will show you what to do next. When you've finished your repeat, we will start working foundation chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and all together we will need to work 52 chains for sizes small and medium, and 56 chains for sizes large and extra large. When you finish working a foundation chain, we'll need to connect to the front part of our project, and we will start working into the left top corner of our front panel. And we will start by working single crochet into first single crochet, so where you have the shell, and into this single crochet we'll work single crochet and 1 single crochet into each of the next 3 single crochet. 1, 2, and 3. We will work 2 single crochet into the next chain space, and we can start repeating the pattern into each of the next 4 single crochet. 1 single crochet into each stitch, so I need 1 more, and 2 single crochet into chain space, and again into each of the next 4 single crochet. 1 single crochet into each stitch, 2, 3, and 4, and 2 single crochet into chain 2 space. And we will carry on like this until we reach the end, and at the end again we will work 1 more single crochet into the next single crochet and 2 single crochet into this row of single crochet. After finishing the first row, we'll repeat the same pattern with the exact same number of repeats as we did on the other side, and we can fasten off. Before we start joining, we will need to turn our work to the wrong side and put those sides together. And we will be counting those chain 2 spaces. It's easier to count where you have double crochet, and for sizes small and medium we'll count 16 of those spaces. For sizes large and extra large we will count 18 of those chain 2 spaces on both sides of our side from the bottom of our top, and we will mark either 16th chain 2 space for sizes small or medium, or 18th for sizes large and extra large. And the stitch marker will tell us where to stop joining our pieces together. We are now ready to finish our last part of the project, which is joining the sides of our top. And we will start joining from the bottom, going towards this marked chain 2 space. And I will be joining using slip stitch method, joining just inside loops of stitches, corresponding stitches on both sides. So I will insert my hook into first single crochet from the bottom of our top through the inside loops. So insert hook through inside loops and pull your yarn through. I need to work chain 1 just to secure my yarn. I will insert my hook into the next single crochet through inside loops on both sides of my top and work a slip stitch. Now I will be working through the inside loops of chains, corresponding chains on both sides, and work a slip stitch. And the next chain, inside loop on both sides, and work a slip stitch. And I will start repeating again inside loop of the first single crochet on both sides, so corresponding single crochet, work a slip stitch, second single crochet, work a slip stitch, and again only inside loops. I need to collect all the strands of my yarn, and then work again those chain spaces. So insert my hook into each chain through inside loop only and work a slip stitch, and the second chain, work a slip stitch. And I will carry on working and joining my sides until I reach this marked chain to space on both sides, and my last join will be in the last single crochet before this chain to space. So single crochet, the second single crochet before chain to space, I will need to fasten off. I will repeat the same process on the other side, and obviously I will fasten off, and when you weave in your ends, your top will be ready.